Hi everyone, here's MAE 152 wheelchair analyze. In our project, we are going to analyze a transport wheelchair which is widely used in many hospitals. Our goal is to divide this project into three main systems: the chassis system, the suspension system, and the brake system. So from these slides, you can just see the general views of these wheelchairs and these four views of this wheelchair. And here you can just see the chart we just divided into three separate systems, and here are like and these below systems are just based on these three main systems. Here is the pictures of the chassis, the original design and the enhanced design. The chassis is the material for the chassis is the alloy steels, and 500 newt is applied on the seat levels and 200 newt on the handle. And the buckling test shows it will yield stress, and you guys can just see those stress plots on the slides. Here is the analysis of the chassis buckling test, and this one is the flow rest. For the flow rest, we just increase the thickness fatigans, and after after 10,000 times used, the footrest has only about like 1.2% damages. And here is the wheel. We did the drop test, and from the plot, it is safe at for a 5 centimeter drop. And we also plot the stress versus the times, so you guys can just see the result from this table, from this plot. And here is the cut brake bar. After we just increase the thickness of the bar end, the stress separates out on the wheel, on the whole part, and the maximum stress does not occur in one location anymore. So from the static analysis, it decreased the maximum deformation on the table from 5.3 millimeters to the 3.6 millimeters. And we also made like these two tables, so you guys can just see like how frequency changes based on these tables. And here is the bar deformation analysis, so you guys can see how the stress changes during this stress analysis. Here is the bar joint. After we just increase the thickness of this curve plate with the different boundary conditions, the maximum stress decrease compared to the first initial. So here is the views for the bar joint, and here is the stress for the and to show you guys like how stress changes. And here is the another static analysis. You guys can see like how stress changes. And here's the summary. So from the right, you guys can just see the stress changes based on the loading changes. And finally, I'm just show you guys the general views of these wheelchairs, and our goal is like how this focus on these braking systems, because braking systems is very important for our project. Thank you for watching this video.